Imagine your car's engine performing Mozart. Sounds fancy, right? So there I was, cruising down the highway when my car started ticking like an over-caffeinated metronome. Turns out it was just the hydraulic lifters, but that got me thinking, what do all these noises mean? Today we're breaking down the symphony of sounds your car makes and what they're trying to tell you. First up, the ticking sound. Often harmless, but sometimes it means low oil levels or worn-out lifters. Next, the whistling sound, usually an air intake leak or turbocharger issue. Now the knocking or rattling sound, this one's serious. It could be engine timing or pistons. Get it checked ASAP. Beyond the engine, there's the squeaking sound. Brakes or belts need some love. The grinding sound, that's your transmission or brakes screaming for help. And the clicking sound could be your starter motor or suspension acting up. When your car starts its symphony, identify the sound, document it, and see a mechanic pronto to avoid expensive repairs. Remember, understanding these sounds is key to keeping your car and wallet healthy. Share your car sound stories in the comments and hit subscribe for more car wisdom.